Ahoy pirates! Welcome to another episode of Laughtail Theories. Here we discuss One Piece manga and anime, and we try to predict what is going to happen and what, if happened, would make sense in the world of One Piece. In this episode, we delve deep and try to uncover the secret to the third ancient weapon called Uranus. I think Shanks is the third and final weapon that can cause the destruction of the world. What do we know of these ancient weapons? Well, we know that Princess Shirahoshi is Poseidon and she has the power to control Neptunians. The second weapon is Pluton, a ship made at Water 7, the plans to which were passed on in the shipwright community, and the last guy in possession of the prince was Frankie before he burned them. The last weapon is called Uranus. Nothing much is known about it at this point, but as per Greek mythology, Uranus represents the sky or the heaven. Now, how is it related to Shanks, you ask? Well, when Shanks went to meet Whitebeard to stop him from waging a war against Blackbeard, in a moment of distress, when both had their weapons out, the sky split into two, and now, since we know that the Whitebeard had the power of Quick Fruit, it makes sense that the one in possession of the power to move the sky was none other than Shanks. He has been known not to eat devil fruit, as he saved Luffy from drowning and against that Sea King. And since the other people from Yonko have had unearthly powers from their fruit, like Big Mom, who can control souls and take life at will, Kaido, the king of beasts, and he is also a dragon. Blackbeard, with his dark fruit and Quick Fruit, is the only man known who can use two devil fruits powers. Now for Shanks to hold a candle against them, there has to be a power that he possesses, which makes sense. He has not wanted One Piece. For him to make a seriously compelling case to be of any help to Luffy, he has to have something that Luffy can use. He has been waiting for Joy Boy. He has kept the world in order for him. He saved Luffy. He tried stopping Whitebeard, saying now is not the time. And he came to stop the battle at Marineford. Roger might have told him the secret and helped him realize his powers. We don't know his backstory yet, but we know he was friends with Hawkeye and has fought Blackbeard and received the scar on his face. I would really like to know what he has been up to and how he has been preparing for the war to come. If you like the theory, give us a great thumbs up. Share this video with your fellow pirates and subscribe to get more such videos.